Hello friends, welcome to GS Core. We are running into the series of current affairs through MCQs of the subject Geography, especially for the Prelims 2023. So we will be seeing that GS Core has organized All India PT mock test, which is an OMR based test, will be conducted in a UPSC simulated environment at more than 20 plus cities across India in the schools, which is similar to the UPSC examination pattern. For registering yourself, you can scan this QR code or you can visit the website iscore.in. The next test will be conducted on 30th April and 10th May. The test is also being conducted in English and Hindi language, so do register yourself. The first question for today is, which of the following statements is or are correct regarding the Aravali ranges? Aravali ranges, they are quite famous. They are present in the part of Rajasthan, part of Haryana. Then some regions also lie in the part of Delhi, and some regions it also lies in the part of Gujarat. So the question here it is being asked, the statement one is, these mountain systems are old fold in nature. Okay. So what is this old fold? Okay. What is old fold or what is new fold? So we have already seen that Himalayas, the formation of Himalayas, how the Himalayas have formed. So they are being formed because of the folding of the plates. They are formed because of the folding. But when this folding occurs, it is a question. When this folding is occurring. So the Aravalis, their folding has occurred during the Precambrian era. Precambrian era. This is almost 250 to 200 million years ago, when the part of India was near to or in conjunction to the part of Africa, or we can say the major part of the Gondwana land in the southern hemisphere. So Aravalis have formed during those period. So the statement one we can see it is a correct statement. Statement two, the highest peak of the Aravali, it lies in the state of Rajasthan. We can see the highest peak of the Aravali, it is Guru Shikhar. The highest peak of Aravali is Guru Shikhar, which is present in the state of Rajasthan. Thus, for the question 1, we can see the statement 2 is also correct, and the answer for this question is C, that is both 1 and 2. So, here we can see the Aravalis, which is being extended in the part of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, and Delhi. Okay, so majority of the part of the Aravalis, they have been eroded. They have been eroded because of the because this landform is quite old in nature, and the air, water, and wind, these agents have been acting for the millions of years for their erosion. Okay, so here we can see the Guru Shikhar mountain. It is present here. This is the highest peak of the Aravali ranges, which is present in Rajasthan. Moving towards the next question, we can see this question is regarding the Krishna and Godavari river management boards. So, question is, consider the following statements. Statement 1, Krishna and Godavari river management boards, they are the statutory bodies. Okay. Statement 2, these boards can supersede the award of the tribunal under Interstate River Water Dispute Act of 1956. Looking at the statement 1, we can see this statement is a correct statement, because the Krishna River Management Board and Godavari River Management Board, they are basically statutory bodies which are being conducted or which have been formed under the Interstate River Water Dispute Act of 1956. Thus, this becomes a correct statement. Now, about statement 2, these boards, that is Krishna River Management Boards and Godavari River Management Boards, can supersede the award of tribunal under the Interstate Water Dispute Act of 1956. If we will look into the peculiarity of this statement, then this statement becomes an incorrect statement. Why? Because these boards, when there has been award given by the tribunal which has formed to resolve the dispute between the states where these rivers are flowing. So these boards, they cannot supersede the award of the tribunals. Okay. If there is some dispute after the tribunal's award, it will directly go to the Supreme Court of India. It will go to the Supreme Court of India for the further resolution, but it will not be superseded by these boards. Thus, statement 2 becomes an incorrect statement, and the correct answer for this question is A1 only. Next question is, the land border of Haiti is closest to which of the following countries? Haiti is one of the countries which is present in Caribbean Sea. Caribbean Sea, it is between North America and South American continents. Okay, it is between North America and South America. There are numerous countries. There are numerous countries which are present in this Caribbean Sea. So looking at this statement and looking the location of the Haiti island, we can see this is the Haiti country. Okay, this is the Haiti country, and we can see the nearest city or the nearest country to this Haiti, it is Cuba. Okay, and this is located in the Caribbean Sea, present between the North America and South America, and here it is also becoming a part of the Atlantic Ocean. So these are some of the information which is with regard to the Haiti island or the Haiti country. So the correct answer for this question is A, that is Cuba. Cuba is the correct answer. You might have heard about the plantations which are taking place in this region. The plantation of rubber, sugarcane, cocoa. Okay, then we can also see the palm. Okay, so these are the major region. Okay, these are the major region where the plantation of this rubber, sugarcane, cocoa and palm is taking place in a quite extensive manner. It is also leading to the degradation of forest. The kind of forest we can say here, it is tropical rainforest or tropical evergreen forests are found in this region. Thus, moving towards the next question, we can see, consider the following statements regarding the solar storms. Solar storms, we can see, they are a frequent phenomena which is occurring at the surface of sun. This results in the emission of coronal mass ejection. So the statement 1 we can see, not all the solar flares produces coronal mass ejection and fewer can hit earth. So we have a diagram here about the various particles or various flares which are being produced by the surface of earth. So one of them is sunlight, second of them is flares of X-ray emission, third is radio noise emission, fourth is energy particles, then in the part of flare we have magnetic storm, and then we have solar winds. So these are the different waves or different particles which are being emitted by the solar storms or the surface of the sun. So in this statement we can see, not all the solar flares they produce coronal mass ejection and the fewer of them can hit the surface of earth. So this we can see it is a correct statement here. This statement is a correct statement because not all the flares they are producing coronal mass ejection as we have seen in this diagram. Statement 2. The CME or the coronal mass ejection causes the formation of northern lights near the Arctic and the geomagnetic storm. So here we can see the formation of the magnetic storm is taking place, and when it is being collided with the geomagnet of earth or the magnetosphere of earth, it results in the formation of geomagnetic storm there. Okay, and also this coronal mass ejection, it results in the formation of the northern lights. Okay, it is also called as auroras. So this auroras or aurelis, they are formed near the Arctic region. Thus the statement 2 is also correct statement, and the correct answer for this question is C, that is both 1 and Moving towards next question, we have a location of the country Italy and the various seas which is surrounded by it. So looking at the question, Italy is surrounded by which of the following water bodies? So statement 1 is Tyrrhenian Sea, statement 2 is Adriatic Sea, and statement 3 is Ionian Sea. So looking at the map of Italy, we can see what is its location, what are the different seas which are present near the Italy, and if there is some other sea present, what can be those sea. So we can see this is the country of Italy. Okay, this is the country of Italy which is present, okay, which is present towards the southern part of Europe. Here we have towards the eastern side of Italy, Adriatic Sea. Towards the southern side we have Ionian Sea. Towards its western side we have Tyrrhenian Sea. Also we have towards the northern side Ligurian Sea, and towards we can see towards this part we have Mediterranean Sea also. So these are the major sea with which the Italy is surrounded. So looking at the question again, we can see Tyrrhenian Sea, it is one of the part of the Italy coastal regions. Then Adriatic Sea is also correct option, and Ionian Sea is also a correct option here. Thus the correct answer for this question is D, that is 1, 2 and 3, all of the above statements. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding the Krishna river. Okay, Krishna river we are quite very much aware about. It is present in the southern part of India. Okay, the question for you is, from where the Krishna river it originates? Meanwhile, I will be discussing the statements. Karnataka and Maharashtra are part of the Krishna river basin. Is this statement correct or incorrect? We will be looking at the diagram here. So we can see this is the part of Maharashtra and this is the part of Karnataka. Okay, this is the part of Karnataka here, and this is the major Krishna river which is flowing here. This is the major Krishna river. So we can see Karnataka and Maharashtra, they are part of the Krishna river basin. Thus the statement 1 is the correct statement. Statement 2, Krishna river forms a border between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay, so here we can see this is also a correct statement. Why? Because when this river it enters into the part of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, it forms a kind of bit boundary. It forms a kind of bit boundary between the two states, that is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana here. Thus this statement also becomes a correct statement here, and the correct answer for this question is C, that is both 1 and 2. So this was about the Krishna river. Next question we have for the Ganga river and its tributaries. So which of the following are the left bank tributary of the river Ganga? Option 1 is Hooghly, option 2 is Son, option 3 is Gomti, and option 4 is Chambal. If we will look at the statement 1, that is Hooghly. So Hooghly is not a tributary, but it is a distributary of Ganga. It is a distributary of river Ganga. Son river is basically not a left bank tributary, but it is a right bank tributary. Okay, we have a diagram also here, we have a map. So we can see here Hooghly, this is a distributary of river Ganga. Secondly, Son river which is present here, it is not a left bank but it is a right bank tributary, thus making this statement also incorrect statement. Statement C, Gomti. Gomti we can see it is one of the left bank tributary of the river Ganga. So this is the correct statement here. Now Chambal, as we all know that Chambal is a tributary of which river? Chambal is a tributary of river Yamuna. It is a tributary of river Yamuna. So here we can see we have Yamuna river and this is the Chambal river which is present here. So this is the Chambal river which is the tributary of river Yamuna. Thus the statement also becomes an incorrect statement and the correct answer for this question is C, that is 3 only. This is the correct answer for this question. Now moving forward, next question we have regarding the tidal waves. Okay, tidal waves. So statement 1 is it is result of interaction between sun and moon only. Guys, if a tidal wave is to be formed, what is the very basic phenomena for the formation of this wave? The very basic phenomena will be there should be presence of three bodies, that is sun, moon and earth. Then secondly, the alignment of these three bodies, okay, that is sun, moon and earth, it should be on a linear scale. It should be on a linear scale. Thus, there will be formation of high tides. There will be formation of high tides if this moon is positioned in this region. Then it will lead to the formation of low tides. It will lead to the formation of low tides in this region. Thus, we can see it is a result of interaction between sun and moon only. This is an incorrect statement because here earth is also involved. Because here the earth is also involved. Now, next statement is tsunami is not a type of tidal surge. Okay. So, analyzing this statement, tsunami, basically it is a tidal surge? No. It is basically a sea wave which has been formed because of the earthquake, which has resulted in the displacement of land or a plate under the sea or ocean, which results in the displacement of water forming a sea wave. It results in the formation of wave. Thus, this is a massive wave. This is a tsunami is a massive wave which has been formed because of the force which has been developed because of the displacement of the plate beneath the ocean floors. Thus, statement 2 we can see it is a incorrect statement here. Sorry, it is not here. Thus, this is the correct statement here. Okay, this is a correct statement because it is a kind of a sea wave. Okay. Now, statement 3, red tide. It is not a true tide, but rather a term used to describe the red color of an algal bloom. So, this is also a correct statement. Why? Because if we will look at the some of the sea surface, there is formation of red tides. Now, red tides are formed because of the movement of this tide. Okay, they are moving, but the color red, it has been formed because of the presence of algae. They are formed because of the presence of algae. These algae, they are basically having a different color than green, thus resulting in the formation of red color. They are quite poisonous in nature and they affect the water body in a quite detrimental manner. Thus, we can see the statement 2 and 3 are the correct statement here. Thus, option B with 2 and 3 only is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So, moving forward, we have next question here with regard to the Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal, it is a very important canal of India. It is basically a lifeline of the Western Rajasthan. It is the lifeline of Western Rajasthan. The agriculture activities, the human settlement which are possible in the western part of Rajasthan, which is basically a deserted region. It is only possible because of the presence of this Indira Gandhi Canal. Now the question here it is asking, this Indira Gandhi Canal, it passes through which of the following states? So the states we have to identify here. Option A is, or option 1 is Haryana, option 2 is Punjab, option 3 is Delhi, and option 4 is Rajasthan. So to analyze this question, I will take you to the map here. So we can see here, this is the Indira Gandhi Canal. This is the Indira Gandhi Canal which is present here. So we can see this Indira Gandhi Canal here. It is being boarded here. It is being joined here, or it is being taking water here from this Satluj River. It is taking from the Satluj River, but the states we can see here, the state one is Punjab. It is also passing through some regions of Haryana. Okay, as we can see here. So the Haryana is also included here, and it is forming, or it is passing through the major part of the Rajasthan. Thus the three states, that is Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, they are important part of this Indira Gandhi Canal. We can see Delhi is present on this region. Okay, thus it is quite far away from the Indira Gandhi Canal, and it does not forms the part of the Indira Gandhi Canal water system. The statement or option 1, 2 and 4 are the correct option here, and the correct answer for this question is D, that is 1, 2 and 4 only. This is the correct answer for this question here. Now, next question is, arrange the following protected areas in order of north to south. We are moving from north to south direction. Now, options are Papikonda National Park. Option 2 is Bandipur National Park. Option 3, Mudumalai National Park. And option 4 is Periyar National Park. So, we can see here, Papikonda National Park, it is present in Andhra Pradesh. It is present in Andhra Pradesh. Bandipur, it is present basically in the part of Karnataka. Mudumalai, it is present in Tamil Nadu. And Periyar National Park, it is present in the part of Kerala. Just looking at the locations to the map, we can see this is Bandipur, this is Mudumalai, and this is Periyar National Park. And we can see the presence of, or the location of the Papikonda National Park, it is almost here in the region of Andhra Pradesh. So this is Papikonda National Park. We can see one more analysis from this question here. All these three national parks, that is Bandipur, Mudumalai and Periyar, they are forming the part of Western Ghats. While the Papikonda, it is present in the part of Eastern Ghats. Thus, looking at the statement here, we can see Papikonda is present towards the northern part, then it is becoming 1. Then we have Bandipur as second. Then next we have Mudumalai as third. And then we have Periyar as fourth. Thus, this is the alignment of this national park from north to south. So the correct answer for this question is D, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is correct answer for this question. Okay, so we have discussed all the questions here for the today's discussion view. Now, reminding you again about the All India PT mock test which is conducted by GS4, and it is basically an OMR based test being held at UPSC simulated environment across 20 plus cities of India at the various schools. Thus, you can assess your preparation approach and you can analyze your approach by conducting or by attempting this examination. You can register yourself by scanning this QR code, or for more information you can visit the website iscore.in. The examination will be held in English and Hindi medium, and the next paper here we have on the 30th April and 10th May. And the fees for this examination, it is quite low. So see you in the next series, guys. Thank you very much here.